all of my fidgets. First is my poppet, my rainbow poppet. Very satisfying. Yeah. Now let's enjoy the popping sounds. Next is my Simple Dimple. And yeah, if you don't know what these are, it's like some kind of poppet. But the thing is that you only have 2 things you can pop. So yeah. Now let's pop these big balls on it. Yeah. Very satisfying. Yeah, I recommend this. Like, I am obsessed with this. Like, I recommend this. If you're bored and don't know what to do, just buy a Simple Dimple like this and just play with it all day, because I have become obsessed with this, and I only bought it like yesterday. And like, I'm already obsessed with it. Like, all the time, 24/7, I'm playing with this thing. So yeah. Next fidget. Next fidget. I don't think you can really call this a fidget. This is actually like a squirrel that pops out of its log, yeah. Very loud, but also kind of cringe. Like, having this in your house, like, imagine scaring a kid with this, like. Yeah, that was not funny at all. I totally didn't accidentally drop the log. Alright, I almost did, but I didn't. Alright, I did not. Okay, now, next and last fidget. I don't think you can call this a fidget either, but it's kind of like a long unicorn thingy. And you can, like, stretch it, You can stretch it however you like. So yeah, let's play with this. Very stretchy. Yes, very stretchy. Too stretchy. Wait a second. Holy. This thing can stretch even more than... Ow! My arm. Oh my god. My poor arm. My poor fingers. No. My arm died. Like, legit, my arm died. Like, my arm died. My arm actually died. Bro, my camera went boom. Yeah, that's how it went. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of me playing with my top 4 fidgets. I mean, those are my fidgets, sadly. But I'll collect more, and I'll post more parts of this as soon as I can, and when I get more fidgets, because this is sadly the only fidgets I currently have. So yeah, bye, have a good day, night, or evening, whatever it is, really. And yeah, be nice to your, like, family, and stay safe. Goodbye.